Okay, welcome to General English. So this is the fourth part. I'd like to tell you related to prepositions in, at, and on. Let's check this out. Yeah. So let's hear. I've given you the information regarding the time expressions and also the prepositions. Okay, let's see. Now, we've got three preposition here: at, in, and on. At, yeah, on, and in. So each preposition has got different function. Okay. For example, let's see at. At is usually used in order to state the hours or the time. At 5 p.m., at 12 o'clock, at 7 a.m. Okay. Since we are talking about time expressions. Yeah, that's for at. What about on? On is used in order to state the days. On Friday, example. On my birthday. Or you can also state the date using on. For example, on May the 7th, 1964. Or on September the 12th, 1996. Yeah, you need to use on in this case. And what about in? In is very universal since it is general. It can be used to state weeks, months, years, decades, or centuries. Yeah, let's see. In 2 weeks, for example, or in July, in May. Now, the difference between on and in. On can be used in order to state the date. The date meaning you've got the month, you've got the date, and also the year. You need to use on. If you only have the months, like July and May, you need to use in. Yeah, in July, in May. And also, if you only have the year, like 1970 or 1980, you need to use in. Yes. And then the 80s. The 80s, you need to also use in because it is a decades, 10 years. Yeah, the 80s. And then the 1800s. In the 1800s, in can be used to state the centuries, 100 years. Okay, so in is more general in this case. And then you can see the exceptions in 5 minutes. Yeah, in 5 minutes. If you want to state the minutes, yeah, 5 minutes remaining, for example, you need to use in there, in 5 minutes. And then in the morning, you can also use in for that, in the morning, in the afternoon. But for night, you cannot say in nights. You need to say at night. Okay, let's see here. Use in, yeah, with the morning, afternoon, and evening. For instance, in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Use at with night, like I said before, this case. At night, we cannot say in the nights. That's wrong. We say at nights. And then he goes to school in the afternoon. Yeah, this is the example. In the afternoon. And works at night, but on Friday night. Yeah, if the the night, yeah, is preceded by the name of the day, you need to use preposition on. Remember, on is for the days. Yeah. Use at with clock times. She gets up at 7. Like I said before here, the time can be stated using preposition at. And then use on with days. On with days. In this case, yeah, like this example. He gets up early on weekdays. You've got weekdays, then on. Why weekdays is on? Because there is the word day here. And then she has class on Mondays. Now you've got Mondays there, then you've got on here. Yeah. Mondays with S at the end. This means that it is every Monday. You can say every Monday or you can say on Mondays. They've got the same meaning. Okay, yeah. Great. So that's all for the time expression. Yeah, I'll see you again next week. Have a nice day, everyone.